Last week in my weekly analysis, I had told that US30 is good to remain short till it is below 34,100, and we were expecting a breakdown. However, it stretched further, went till towards 34,250. That was the level we had given a strong resistance of that zone, and since then it has dropped nicely. Now, what is going to happen next week? Which position we should take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, and if you are missing to subscribe, definitely you are missing on the profits, as I share my daily analysis twice a day, one with the Asia session, next with the US cash session. Definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions, so do not miss to subscribe. Let's start. See, on the daily charts you can find out it has broken out of this channel. This was the bullish channel, and now looking downwards. At the same time, one must not forget that it is still bullish here, and see, this is the previous low and it has failed to go past this zone. I'll be looking forward for it to break past 33,500. Once it drops below 33,500, definitely it will call for bow bears, and it will try to come back to this zone, which is between 32,500 to 800. Possibly, yes, we can see a break to that extent. Now also look at the daily chart. These are the daily charts, and if you find, I have told you that, see, this is the highs which it may try to achieve. We were looking forward to 34,100 levels, but it stretched a little. However, precisely achieving the highs, now it is trying to break. See, this was the previous high, and now it is almost achieved these levels, now trying to drop. So this is one part of it. Let's have a look at the weekly charts out there. So now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts you can find this is the stretch in which it is trying to trade, and this is still a bullish channel. If you look at the weekly charts, the lows failed to breach past the lower levels of these channels, and that is why I said next week, yes, if you see it trading below 33,500, if you see it trading below 33,500, consider that as reversal. Below 33,500 you can expect it to come back till towards this zone, which is the first support zone at around 33,000, and then around 32,700 levels. Precisely we may achieve those levels. And look at this. See, this was the high which it has achieved long time back. Since then it has traded with a drop, and look at this precisely. If you connect the dots, I think this is the retracement which it was waiting for, and now it is done. Possibly it may retrace and reverse from these levels. I'll wait for it. Only if it breaks past this, then yes, you can look forward for it to achieve 35,000. This time if it breaks 34,200, yes, we can look forward for it to achieve 35,000 levels very soon. So this is another part to look at, another aspect to look at. Now look at the monthly candle. On the monthly chart, see, this was completely an engulfed candle, and the body size was less than the previous candle. It also gave lower highs. This month it started in green, and it is trading in green since then. However, it has achieved the highs, now trying to retrace back a little. Now see, if it is bearish, it may come back to this zone towards the end of the month, and then from next month again it may start this journey on the downside. You have to be watchful. If it drops next month, you have to be watchful of this zone at 31,500 levels. Right now it appears it can retrace a bit on the downside. I'll be looking forward for it to come back to this zone 34, 32, 700, 32, 800, 32, 500. Possibly it can try to drop till towards there. However, if you see it trading beyond this zone 33,800 next week, yes, you can initiate a long entry. Expect 34,000 to give it a resistance, 34,100 and 200 levels to provide it a resistance. From there, how it behaves, you will see. Also look at the weekly charts, monthly candle here. See, it has completed the journey till here. It has almost achieved and eliminated the gains, or eliminated the drop which it has had 3 months back. Almost every this till here the movement is completed or captured. Now we will be watchful of how it behaves. See, this is the previous resistance zone, lower highs here, and now if it breaks past 34,200, definitely it will hit 35,000 levels. Be watchful, be cautious. I will look forward if it breaks beyond 34,200, then and then only. Else, till the time it is below, I'll look forward to a drop. Now this is the 4-hour charts. See, on the 4-hour charts, very clear, 34,000, very strong resistance. Previously this was the resistance. Also remember, couple of levels which I had shared in my daily analysis. 33,900, this is again a good resistance, and then 33,800 levels and 700 levels. All these three are broken successfully. Now trading below this level. Now I'll watch for 33,600 and then 33,400 levels. So below 33,600 go short, expect 33,500 and 400 levels. Below that, yes, you can expect a further drop and it will complete this journey. See, it has started the rally here, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, and now it is trying to trade with a drop. If you look at the 4-hour chart, this is a bearish channel, and it is trading at the bottom here. So yes, probably once you see it trading below 33,600, go short there, expect 33,400 levels, and then below that we can expect a further drop. This might try to cover up the movement till this zone, which is precisely at 32,700 to 32,500 levels. Let's be watchful. Now let's have a look at the indicator. Now look at the indicators. It is trading at the 4-hour chart. It is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and the channels, also at the 50 period moving average support. They are also trading below the 20 period moving average. On the downside, once it breaks below this zone at 33,600, yes, you can expect it to come back to directly 33,400 first support, and then 33,200 the next support. Breaking below 33,200, you can expect a larger drop. Directional movement is crossed over for a bearish move. Stochastic is oversold, hence it can retrace a little on the upside. You can see a vertical drop here, and it is widely bearish. It is divergent, indicating more bearishness there. Almost it has seen the high out there. Probably it may start to converge from here. Let's be cautious. RSI trading flat on the 4-hour charts. Likewise, if you see on the daily charts, 33,000 levels is the support zone, which is a very strong support zone, and then 32,700, 32,500 level. This zone is very important for US30. It is achievable. First of all, yes, it can drop till there, 33,100, 33,000 levels, and if it drops below this level, definitely we can see a sharper move. See, since the rally has started from this zone, it is precisely traded above these levels, and the movement consistently diverge above these levels. So I will be cautious of this zone. Yes, it can try to attempt and achieve these levels once. Even if it is bullish, it can achieve till here 33,200 and 33,000 level. In fact, 32,700 levels can also be seen. Just be cautious and alert till there. Directional movement was extremely bullish. I was expecting a drop, and that is what we had said last week, that first couple of days we may see a rise and then a drop can happen, and precisely it is trying to achieve those levels. Stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards, and it can enter into oversold zones. Likewise, the MACD was trading in green, now looking to converge, crossover, and enter into sell zone, which will bring more bearishness. RSI was overbought, now looking downwards, indicates probably we can expect a little drop out there. And on the weekly charts, likewise, you will find that there is a good support, good resistance at 33,000 to 32,500 levels. Very strong support zone exists there. Once it draws below 32,500, only we can say that it is entering into again bearish territory, where we may see a fall till towards 31,700, 31,500 levels. On the weekly charts, it is on the verge of a bullish crossover. Remember, this is a bullish cross. I will look forward how this chart takes a shape next week, if it continues in the bearish direction or it is going to continue bullish from here. See the stochastic, this is overbought. It is taking a crossover from here. Probably it can continue with the drop. And if you look at the MACD, this is crossed and this is a bullish cross. This is the fourth candle, green candle. Probably if it converges, this is the high it is seen, and if it converges from here, we can see couple or more red candles, and then it will enter into bearish territory. RSI trading flat on the weekly charts. Now look at the monthly candle. Support on the monthly charts is a little bit here. See, first of all, it closed the candle or the weekly charts at around 20 period moving average, which is situated at around 33,700, and then on the downside, the support there at 32,700 is important. So almost 1,000 points from now, if it continues to drop, we can expect directional movement is bearish, willing to converge. The stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish. I think it must start to converge. For convergence, it must give a green candle this month. 10 trading session left. Let's see which direction it goes. So we have seen the charts and indicators. Now let me give you the trading levels for next week. first let's talk about the levels to go long. Yes, you can go long here at 33,740, beyond which yes you can stay long, but remember there are going to be resistances at 33,800, 33,900 and this time 34,000 itself. So yes, only if it trades beyond 34,000 you can expect little bullishness. Then also I will look forward to 34,050. This also I told you last time, 34,240 levels. And if it breaks beyond this, sky is the limit, 34,500, then you can definitely stay long for the rest of the month. We can see 35,000 levels also. Take your positions with caution till 34,000 levels. Yes, it can rise here, it can rise till here, but it can drop from any of the levels. Only above 34,000 we may turn moderately bullish, and above 34,200 we can remain bullish for the rest of the month, and we can expect a strong rise. Now this is just one part of it. We must trade as per the levels, and yes, if it is bullish you have to buy, if it is bearish you have to short, and you must observe the levels. So let's talk about the levels where you can go short. And yes, if you want to learn the same art of reading the markets precisely and the strategy of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch, or you can join my signals group. Also you can be just a pattern and support the effort out there. The pattern link is mentioned in the description. My telegram and email IDs for your one-to-one interaction is mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for more details. Now yes, on the downside, go short at 33,600. Below 33,600 I will look forward this time to 33. See, 33,500 is a moderate support, but the strong support is at 33,400, then 33,200. And if it breaks below 33,200, my next direct target is towards 32,900 and 32,700 levels. Remember, it has got support here, and then 32,500 will come into picture. Remember, on the downside, the strong support zone is here and here. First target should be this, second target should be this. If it continues to drop below this, yes, you can expect a sharper drop. Then one can expect that it may drop till towards 32,700 500 zone, where it can get a stronger support, and yes, it may trade bearish since then. Do be aware of 33,800, 33 and 33,400 levels. Yes, here it may get a very strong resistance. Hence till here, if you have taken a long entry at 33,740, you have to trade with a stop loss, and with a trailing stop loss specifically, such that in the case or in the event of a reversal and a sharp reversal, at least you safeguard your capital and your trade closes in profit. And also, once you see it achieving every milestone, let's say from 740 to 860 points achieved, you have to close your sum of the trades, and yes, re-enter again. If you see it in the same direction, wait for the another 100 points. Yes, if it achieves close some of your trades, re-enter. If you see it trading in your direction, likewise you can increase your wealth little by little rather than waiting for a 1,000-point move. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and trading week ahead. Thank you.